List of stock exchanges. This is a list of major stock exchanges. Those futures exchanges that also offer trading in securities besides trading in futures contracts are listed both here and in the list of futures exchanges. There are 16 stock exchanges in the world that have a market capitalization of over $1 trillion each. They are sometimes referred to as the $1 trillion club. These exchanges accounted for 87% of global market capitalization in 2015. Some exchanges do include companies from outside the country where the exchange is located. Major stock exchanges. Major stock exchange groups, the current top 25 by market capitalization, of issued shares of listed companies. Commodity exchanges. See full article, List of commodities exchanges. Africa. Americas. Asia. Europe. Oceania.